So this is the owl, and like many reviewers, I thought it didn't work at first. If you push the button on the wing, it plays 2 different songs, and you can play between the songs. Now to get it to record, it's the tricky part. You just have to push the same button on the wing that you do for the music, but you push it quickly 2 times, and then it'll repeat everything you say basically until it either goes to sleep or you shut it off. So, oops. I'm going to turn it off and turn it back on so it stops singing. You have to push it really fast or it's not going to work. Let's try it again. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, bird.
Bird.
So it repeats everything you say.
So it repeats everything you say.
As long as you push the button twice.
As long as you push the button twice.
So don't give up on your toy. It does work. It's just a little tricky.
And she really likes it. I didn't put the age thing down because I really do think I've had grandkids from 2 all the way up to 8 get a kick out of this. So when you push the button, it's going to play multiple songs. It goes through a series of them. If you push the little button over here and do it real quick, twice, then whatever you say, it's going to repeat. That's the feature that my grandkids really, really like and have fun with.
That's the feature that my grandkids really, really like and have fun with.
Thanks.
Thanks.
It doesn't work.